कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ubah proses di saukmi MLA berem Ïaroh berpertu ya ke Savio Juniorate maulai ke belasai bon bha ki Riewniam ba ki Khraw nakashlem ajing kai jongka hakini kindru post nam jonga jaya lenti jongka ban ajing kai ya ki khenna ubah proses di saukmi ulapen pau yakani haba ajing kran kumukongsan haba pen ha perda ya ke annual sports day basan bukanda jonga Savio Juniorate ha ka sing thok dieng ka santri uyayong arajar pusau Ulapen pau yu jing ngaulingo hadim bu yu jing tip niki padar kadi kaslam ajing hikai ba ombro ki puli hangni ki dei bek ki penkut ha ka julong padar henre ki don ki weiru ki Riew Khraw ki bela pas nang ne ha ki kisni kla don ru ka jing pen mare ha ka jing yakop arspa sauspa praspa shiajar sanspa meter jang ki junior but senior ka jing mare berni ka jing tantelai but ki weide nolor ka jing yakop kini shuki bela shimbenta kerpang lagi sister ba kinong hikai Hakni ke annual sports day arajar pusau best athlete nagi senior layora du shibor lang dakhar hak intermediate u serious hasha bad hak junior u bans kembor mausor yakni ke jukop elek kai sport ba shisin jisnam layora daga yellow house baar daga blue house bad balai daga red house na bring kisan liki house ke belashim benta ki bekin thop ru yak green ba ka white house
We thank him for making himself available this afternoon. We thank him also for the past helps and for his presence always in many of our important functions. We thank him today in a special way for making himself available for this concluding ceremony. And we will be receiving from him, many of us will be receiving from him the prizes. We also are grateful to Father Telesphore Nongla, who says he's a little more free now because there are more parishes open from Olai parish. Even then, I think there are so many other occupations like at present the house blessing, Easter blessing that are going on. But he has showed his love and concern for us, who are his parishioners, by being present here for this occasion. And to all the other invited guests also, we express our gratitude and we extend our warm welcome for this concluding function. We thank God that He has given us a beautiful day today. It's neither too hot nor windy like the other days, so that we can peacefully and without getting so tired we can compete and we can win the prizes. We are 172 boys and 13 confreres, fathers and brothers, and this annual sports has been a special experience for all of us and a unique one too. During the sports, we experience our friendship, we enhance our talents, and we also strengthen our friendship and collaboration with one another. This year we have not just 4 houses, but we have 5 houses. So the red house, the green house, the blue house, the yellow house, and also the white house. So being members of this house and taking part in all these sports events, our boys have learned many values. They have learned discipline. They have learned, I'm sure, how to work together, how to forgive one another, how to cooperate with one another, how to enjoy with one another, and how to share. So it is really a very enriching experience for all of us. I would like also to mention the efforts of our organizing committee headed by Father Shining, the Khraw, our counselor, who is also these days, he has taken up the work of the administrator in his absence. So it's really a heavy task for him, and yet he has made sure that everything is provided and everything is running smoothly. So we appreciate the brothers also, our teachers, and all those boys who have lent a helping hand in organizing and conducting this annual sports so smoothly.
From the cockfight, first Banskamigi from the blue house, second Shampang from the red house, and third Marius Terniang from the red house. Kindly come forward to the victory stand. Third, Bandai Bok from the white house and Shaiku Bar from the blue house. Kindly come forward to the victory stand. All a round of applause.
And where is the Francisco Hill?
Thank you so much, sir.
And the novices, the teachers, and students. As I stand here, my mind goes down to memory lanes of 1977 to 81, 83. If I am standing here, it is because this institution has made me to be here right now. I am really grateful to these institutions. And when Father, your counselor, came to me, I thought he would come and ask me for confessions. To come for confessions. But just the other way about. To come for this sports. And I really agreed immediately. I cancelled all the programs I was supposed to have started this week. But because of this one, then yesterday also more or less a sports like this in one small school in one of the villages. So like this. So I cancelled all the programs of house blessings and come for this because this was my best house, I should say. The best years I spent, and now I am here to be with you. Very nice indeed, not only the weather but also the occasion. And not to prolong, yesterday, as I told you, I went for a sports of one primary school, one of our schools. And in that, during the prize distributions, one special prize was awarded to one student. And you know the student, the student won many prizes, did not even appear on the scene, on all the events. But you know why? Because that particular student dropped out only 2-3 years, and this year joined back the school. So in order to encourage the student, the organizers awarded a special prize for the student. Well, as the director has mentioned, not all will be receiving prizes, certificates, but I think we have learned values in our lives. And that is the sports that, at least for me, who had been here before, I learned so many things here, and that's why, as I said, I am standing here, and has taught me so many things. This institution has produced so many leaders, so many teachers, and so many solutions, priests and brothers. I am sure, students, you will learn as long as you are here many, many things, and take to heart all that the superiors are helping you. To form you, you will grow. You will never regret, I tell you. You will never regret later on. And you will always cherish memories, fond memories of these institutions. Could be the sports, could be some other activities as well. And more so, I would like to say, please, your studies. If you could be somebody later as you are now, is because of your studies. Take seriously your studies along with all the curricular activities, and I am sure when you become solutions or whatever you can become later on in life, this will be your good opportunities that God has provided you through these institutions. So once again, I congratulate all the organizers and ask God's blessings upon you, upon the staff, and also upon this whole institution.
Proceeding towards the podium, we have the Blue House. Magmadov Nokse as the commander, Rafael Khanengdo as the placard bearer, and Felix as the flag bearer. After them, we have the Red House. Wanambok Lingdo Marshilong as the commander, Jubert. We have Vincius Maunai as the commander, Steven Schneitang as the placard bearer, and Fernandez Carbani as the flag bearer. After them, we have the Yellow House, Webin Kerlang Suping as the commander, Green Paul Marbanyang as the placard bearer, and Farrell Roy Myrom as the flag bearer. This is Red House. Wanambok Lingdo Marshilong as the commander, Jubert as the placard bearer, and Bats Kemlang Soting as the flag bearer. This is White House. Ïaroh as the commander, Rivers Camp Kamuti as the placard bearer, and Isham Kamston as the flag bearer. This is Savio Juniorate band, led by Brother Colombi.
It is a moment of joy and happiness to be part of the 59th annual school sports of Savio Juniorate. I'm very much happy today. I can spending time with you and see that you have been playing well, if it is in sports, if it is in dance, if it is singing, if it is many disciplines you have already been shown in front of us. I'm very much happy today that we have also a sports event which you have not been experiences and witnessing. That is the events of the sisters who are present here. Thank you, sister. This is the first time that yourself also I could see from here that many of you before are not passing in the wheelchair. Many of you I saw that you have a feel sleepy. After you went on the ground, I could see that you also very much enjoying of taking part of the event organized by the Savio Juniorate. Thank you all. This is at the time that I wanted to give a short speech to all the students of the Savio Juniorate. You are lucky enough of getting the opportunity of sitting here. It is I may say that institution which will build up your future career. I only knew that Savio Juniorate is one of the institutions who have taught how to become a priest, how to become a brother, and so on. At the initial stage, on the day when I getting a chance of interaction with Father Shining the Khraw regarding with the ongoing process of the Savio Juniorate.
He told me at the initial stage, it may be the boys who came and studied here in Savio Juniorate, it may be 100 plus at the time of joining of the institution. At the end, till the completion of the studies, become a full-fledged priest and to become a Reverend Father, maybe only 2 or 3 left. That is what he said, but it is a fact. In the journey of this world, it is a very tough. Though that many of you, I am like you before, but myself, when I was a young like you, I mean by the age of class 5 or class 6, I have an aim, I have a dream to become a social worker, to become a political leader. I'm very much enjoying of seeing when the guests speaking on dais, I listening carefully the way they speech on dais, how they speech, how to get the public attention to listen to the speaker. I've only a dream to be a political social worker and a political leader in journey of many years. Now crossing of 60 years in my age in journey, that I remember when I saw you all, that even myself at class 5, class 6, I used to participate, used to take part in sports. But even then in my heart, in my soul, that I wanted to become a leader. That is only in my life. I'm very much happy. I am very much thankful to the Lord Jesus because He made me like I want. He made me like I would like to be. He made me a dream to serve the society and to serve the poor and needy of society and the city's whole. I'm very much happy to Lord Jesus. In the journey of my life, now I've already said that I've already been crossing over 60 years on my journey. Even the 60 years of my journey, I didn't feel I didn't feel tired. I would like to continue with my journey. Still feel that I can do many things for the society as a whole. My dear boys, I'm sure that at the beginning you would like to come and study here in Savio Juniorate with a good intention. Become a priest, become a Reverend Father. While going of your journey, I may say that there is a time, inner boys, while you are studying, inner boys while you're growing up, and inner boys while you're ready to go further for your study. That inner boys, it came in your heart. My son, I have not chosen you to be a priest. I would like to choose you to be an engineer. I would like to choose you to be a doctor. I would like to choose you to be a civil servant. I would like to choose you to be a teacher. That is the plan and the purpose of God. God has sent you and I to this world with His own plan and purpose. That is the God plan. God planned to send you and I in this world with His own plan. A plan for me and a plan for you. And I'm sure I'm very much happy of knowing that from the Savio Juniorate, many engineers at the beginning, I thought all those who have been studying here at Savio Juniorate all become a priest or become a brothers. But it's not like that I thought. But later I came to know that here, at the beginning you may join from it up to your completion. In between of that, some of you have already said, there is a call. There is inner voice that is using you in your own purpose, in your own line. I'm very much happy. Meeting with many people who have only been passed from Savio Juniorate, I must say that they are good people. Like Father Rector have already said that is the value, the respect from the Savio Juniorate. Many of the students who have passed from here, while they are in the society, they can do many things, which is respectable. Because why? Because they have teaching the lane here to be a good citizen and a good person. Become a good person, a good citizen, I may say that it is very difficult. Your character, your respectable, is cost more than whatever money that you have. You have to maintain. But I'm very much happy, like I've already said, meeting with the people who pass from here. If it is in the police department, if it is society, they are respectable because they have already passed from here. I look forward, even you also, you have only in your mind that I would like to be a good citizen, a good citizen, a person who can do something for the society. My dear students, my dear sisters, who are here in end to end today, I would like to appeal to all of you: be a good person, be a generous person, be humanity. It will not cost anything. Be humanity. I know the sisters, the fathers, the brothers, they understand better, because why they have only passed through of those line or those process they have to complete. Become a good citizen. That's very important. Nowadays it is very difficult to find out a good citizen. Everybody would like to show yourself that I'm Mr. I'm capital I can do many things. I will show that the world, that we have already seen that the war of Russia with Ukraine, how the president of the two countries to show off to the world that we have a weapon, we have everything that we can control the world. What is coming from that? That is, people suffer a lot, people died, and many things people even don't have a food to eat. That's why I would like to appeal to all of you: be a good citizen. My dear students, I'm sure that you are already enjoying very much about the sports. Sports in this day has become very popular. Popular not only in the Meghalaya, not only in Shillong, not only in Savio, popular in the whole country. The government of India and the government of Meghalaya, for those good sports persons, those who brought laurel, those who brought medal at gold, silver and bronze, they give 8,000 cash for every month for those who would like to be to go further to improve yourself in sports. I know that some of you have an aim to be, you have playing the sports in a professional way. When I'm talking about the profession, that it will help you in the future. You understand in these days that become a good sports person, a professional sports. The government, even that others club, they pay you a huge amount. How to can play from any club that is the club running by the company or others. My dear students, some of you they have taken profession, and some of you that you have taken as a fitness in the sense that like they all they said, sound mind is sound body, and health mind is healthy body. It is very important to have a good health. I speak with Father Muk, for the rector. I told you morning at what time you used to wake up, say about 5:30. I said whether you are working on here in the morning or jogging here, or doing some sports. He said yes. That's why I told you you look very young and healthy, even at this age. Because why? You're doing morning walk. Some of you they are taking sport as a fitness point for your health. That is a very important. Very important. Be a good health. My dear student, some of you may thought whether I like to be a good health or would like to be a money. Some of you may say that like we also, when we are young like you, when people talking about whether you like good health or like money, you say no, money is much more better. We can buy whatever we want, but it's not like that. But now we understand health is very important. Like you have a good health. You can play here on the ground. Some of your, I may say, some of your family members, some of your own brothers, they cannot go to school, they cannot go to college. Because why? Because they are sick, they are in good health, you have taken care at home, you have taken care in the hospital. I'm sure that you sometime, even your parents, have only told you, see, your fathers we have to admit hospital. But you have only paid the bill hospital around 10 lakh, 20 lakh. That is, you don't have a good health. good health, it is very important. That's why I would like to appeal to you, be good health. But once you have a good health, you can do many things in your future. I look forward by the student that you will do well in the days and the years to come. And you only witness here, you witness many fathers and many sisters. You have competition. You have competition of the study being taken care of you. You understand? All of us, even me and others, brothers and sisters, we have to go a long journey. That's why the word says, a patient is bitter, but fruit is sweet. We have to go a long journey. Sometimes 30, 40 years, even 20 years, 25 years in the journey, we have to walk. But at the end, we get a good fruit. Even yourselves, you have to be patient. Somebody in these days, some youth, even some men, would like to be a rich person. Only the matters of 1 month or 1 year. We have seen the many fraud in this day, many companies these days, they have only been offered, if you depositing the money, 50,000 or 1 lakh, only the matters of 1 week, you will get a crore of rupees. That is only a fraud. That's just what they are doing. They're doing like to be a quick, to get a quick money, like to be rich in the matters of 1 month or matters of a week, but it would not last long. But that will not last long. That's why whatever we do, we have to go step by step. Like yourself in class 8, in class 9, in class 10. Nobody can climb the ladder. Only in the matters of 1 second you can climb 200 steps. You have to walk step by step. That is in life. But in life, you have to understand that we only witnessed today. Some of you have only get the prizes. Some of you didn't get the prizes. But some of you have only, I may say that some of you have only very conscious in your life, in your thought. Why not I'm not getting a prizes? My friend are getting a prizes. Why not me? But you have put yourself that bit, okay, I will do well from now on. I will do well. In sports, I will do well. Even in study, I will do well. But my friend, like all this said, success and failures goes side by side with a loss of enthusiasm. With a loss of enthusiasm, we should not feel bad or feel sad when we lost anything, even in sport, even in study. Maybe some of you are brilliant, or getting at the top 10, or maybe the first 10. But alas, you didn't reach at that. But that you should not feel bad or awkward on that or disappointing on that. Because why? Because that will teach you how to be a better, how to learn more. So with this word, once again, I would like to express my gratitude to all the family members of the Savio Juniorate. My father director at the beginning of his speech, they have already welcomed. I'm very much happy. And also, I feel very close with Savio Juniorate. I feel very close with them. I feel very close with the father Teres Nonglang, and all fathers, even the sisters. I feel very close. I'm very much happy and taking me as one of the family members. Like myself also, I treat you all like own family members. I'm very much happy. I'm looking forward that we will work together for interest of the state, interest of the nation, and also interest of how to bring a good people in the society. With this word, thank you all. God bless you.
Points goes to Ïaroh House. Yes, second runner-up Blue House, please come. Blue House and the captain of Ïaroh House, the champions this house.
My dear fathers, students, sisters, all of us are here today. Today, the 5th of April 2024, the annual school sports meet organized by the Savio Juniorate has come to